Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you are well. Today I'm doing a video about removing rust from this antique machine. This machine was designed to squeeze juice out of fruit. As you can see, it's got a bit of rust here and here. In my previous video I tried to remove it using ketchup. You can see the result of that in my other videos, and now I decided to give it another go with this Hammerite rust remover gel. I ordered this on eBay, and apparently this gel is better for removing rust, so I'm gonna give it a try. The instructions for this gel tell me that I should apply it and use a wire brush. However, I haven't got any wire brush at hand at the moment, so I will be trying to do it using old toothbrush. And in addition to applying this gel to the metal parts, I've also got a part of vintage chandelier, and it's got a bit of rust on the glass. It doesn't come off easily when I wash it, so I'm going to apply some of the gel to the glass as well and see if this substance will work on glass. Okay, so stay with me if you are interested to find out what's gonna happen. So this is the gel. It's got an interesting green color, and I'm gonna take a little bit of it and just start applying it to all parts of this machine. I will not be filming all the application process, but I will apply it and then show you once I've done it. Okay, so the gel has been applied with this brush. This is quite hard brush. It's not metal, but it hasn't melted or anything, so I think this brush is okay as well. I brushed the gel in all over, especially on that thread area, to make sure the gel gets into each single little space in there. So here, as you can see, as I brush it, the gel starts changing color. It's no longer green, it's becoming more of a brown color. So I think some reaction is taking place. I brushed all here, all areas inside of this little container as well. This had a lot of rust on the bottom, so I've put a lot of gel in there. This part is made of metal. It's very heavy, but the metal is covered with some kind of enamel, and it also had the rust inside, so I've applied gel in there. And this is on the glass chandelier part. So according to instructions, I should leave it to work for up to 20 minutes. So I'm gonna leave it for 20 minutes. And before I rinse it, I'm gonna go with the brush and brush everything once more to try to remove some more of the rust. Okay, so I'll see you soon. Okay, so 20 minutes have passed, and now I'm going to go through all the surfaces, brush them again with this brush, and then take it to the bathroom and rinse it. And during the rinsing process, I will be using the brush as well to make sure I brush any of the gel out of this machine. So this is how it looks now. The rust in the ceramic covered part seems to be particularly stubborn, so we'll see if anything will be washed out of there. It looks like this here, and that's the glass part. Okay, so I'm going to rinse it now, and I will show you the final result. Okay guys, so time for results. I hope you are ready. This is after rinsing it and using the toothbrush to remove any gel, and I dried it, just air dried it. I used a little bit of toilet tissue to try to get the water out, and this is the result after my first application. As you can see, there is still a bit of orange color, so this this is what it looks like. This is the tin container. I think quite a lot of rust is gone from the middle section. I need to work a little bit more on the corners. Perhaps I didn't get there with the brush, so it needs more work. That ceramic coated part seems to be very stubborn, and I don't see a lot of result on there, although the color of the rust is a little bit less intense. So that's in there. What I am really happy with is the result on the glass. Look at this chandelier part. All the rust that I wasn't able to remove with the kitchen sponge, scrubbing and rubbing it, it seemed to have disappeared. So this is very good news for anyone who, like me, likes restoring or reselling vintage glass lampshades, light shades. When you take old lamps apart, you will always find a little bit of rust on the glass parts, and they are difficult to clean. So this rust removing gel, I think, works very well on glass. I think my result would probably be better if I actually used the metal wire brush instead of the toothbrush. I don't know, if I come across any wire brush, I will buy it and try. Meanwhile, I might try to apply one more coat, one more layer of this gel and see what's gonna happen. But this is my result for today. Thanks for watching, thank you for being with me, and I hope you join me for my next video. Okay, have a nice day, bye now.